Hi guys. So yeah, this is I think this is part 4 of my Everton Rebuild, and as you can see we're at the end of the season and things are not looking great. Well, it is. We're currently 10th in the league, and then what do you call this? Our season hinges on us winning the final of the Europa League. As you can see, we won. I mean, wasn't really the smoothest of ways to go get to the final. I mean, yeah, there. So I plan to like play this live so that you guys can see what happens. And here, so here's my squad. As you can see, they're not looking too well condition wise. They're pretty tired. My starting 11 is tired, and I lost this guy. My starting inverted fullback. So let's play. Okay, so there. Uh huh. Well, I hope we win. So let's see. Okay. Whatever. Whatever. No, 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 no. Okay, so we're here. I'd like this guy to play this one, and then there. Lewis Ferguson, why are you there? And there. Okay, so there. As you guys can see, we're playing with a very small team right now. Fender. We need to dominate. I mean, first match. We're gonna fix this. Vertical scrolling there, and then key highlights. Yeah, whatever. So, okay, what's happening? Oh God. Okay, almost. That was a bad call. Oh shit. There's something wrong with the lineup. Oh crap. We're not playing at full strength. Anyway, that was my bad. We score one goal. What are we doing? Uh-huh. So we're playing with my... Yeah, that's okay. And I believe I didn't fix the... I haven't tweaked the set pieces yet. It's okay. It's not yet done. Oh, interesting. Blahovic is... Okay. Yeah, so Calvert-Lewin's not doing good. Yeah, he's I think he's almost, it's like really tired. Oh, oh, they have Seth Rowe. That's interesting. Uh huh. Okay, so yeah. Keep going, keep going. Yeah. I'm gonna stick with the same lineup. At 60. Okay. Who do I change though? Yeah. Not yet, not yet. Okay. That was bad. Okay, so I'm gonna take him. No, I'm gonna take Azon off because he's not really playing well. 6.4 is unacceptable. This guy also, Noama's not really doing well. He's struggling for some reason. There, go, run with the ball. No, no, no. Oh, that was bad. That was bad. Oh, see, I have my wingers are doing so bad, so I'll probably do this, and then I'll probably do this, and then I'll switch them up. Okay. And then Calvert Lewin's not really doing well. For who do I change? Actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to bank on these guys to win me the game, or at least tie the game for me. Go, nice. Okay, okay, the game's tied. So okay, so you know what I'm gonna do is I'm going to like stick these guys on attack. Yeah, I'm gonna go YOLO. I need to win this game. I don't want to go to overtime. I don't want to go penalty kicks. I want to win. I want to win now. Okay, okay, good. Nice. Okay. Oh, okay. That was a bad. Oh no. Okay. That was a good save. I don't know. This guy's dying though. So nice. Okay, hold the ball. Oh, dude, what the fuck? Oops, sorry. Yeah. So I don't know. Nice. Hold the ball. Come on. Okay, nice. Oh. Okay. So come on. 'Cause I'm dead if we go overtime. We don't have any players anymore. Oh, dude, why? Okay, whatever. Okay, keep going. Okay, so yeah, it's not like I have any more players to play. Even my sub's tired. Yeah. Oh. See, I think this is going overtime unless nah, you know what, whatever. Team talk. Yeah, whatever. Defenders, I have faith in you. Whatever. Okay. This is stressful. Come on. That sucks. Maupe. Nice. Rabiot. Come on. You suck. Oh, Konate. Come on, young gun. Nice. I mean, one save, one save. Kostic. He sucks. Come on. Come on, Pickford. Garner. Come on, come on. Nice. Okay. Oh no. Nice. Okay, save this, save this. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Save this, save this. Go, let's go, Pickford. Okay, come on, you can do this. You can save this. Crap. Oh no. Oh man. Shit. It's the English curse. Oh.